And there's one section over here, and I had a few people ask me that they want to use the box strictly for their IPTV subscription. So in order to do this, if you go all the way to the top, common settings, now if we scroll down, right here, auto start on device boot up. So this here, if you want to use your box strictly for the IPTV, it's a good option. So what you do is you check mark this. Every time your box turns on, automatically it'll just load right to the STB Emulator. So all you gotta do is just check mark that and it'll do the auto boot. Okay, so once you finish that, now we exit to this page. Now we're gonna hit the menu button on the remote and we're gonna head down to exit. Now we're just going to exit out of there, wait a few seconds, now re-enter back in. And if you did everything correctly, it should start the portal. You should get your loading bar. Just give it a few seconds. And there you go. So there's the bar right now. And there you go. So that's all to it. So guys, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. Please hit that subscribe button, support my channel, and once again, thanks for watching.